Gruzovikus, the futuristic truck concept from Artmi Leave Studio, features a sleek, self-driving design that sets it apart from traditional semi-trailers. Equipped with a mix of radars, sensors, and cameras, it navigates the road autonomously, eliminating the need for human drivers and enabling continuous operation without breaks, meals, or rest, leading to faster deliveries. Powered by electricity, it aligns with modern sustainability trends. Its streamlined design not only enhances aesthetics but also optimizes weight distribution onto the front axle, improving the vehicle's stability for safer and more efficient transportation. GIE, originally a refrigeration parts maker, has grown into a major global car manufacturer through its Farizon auto brand. The Chinese auto giant recently unveiled the Z-Truck CBLAS, reflecting its belief that self-driving technology will shape the future of commercial road transport. GIE predicts that by 2030, driverless trucks will dominate the market, and the Z-Truck CBLAS, with its Level 4 autonomy, is a step toward that future, capable of handling many driving situations without human intervention. Flexibility is key, as the supervan chassis allows for various drivetrain options and adjustable dimensions. Its design echoes elements from the Volvo Vera, Steinwinter Supercargo 2040, and other futuristic truck concepts, appealing to car enthusiasts. Farizon Hyundai again Auto's next truck, while more traditional with a human driver, is packed with advanced features, including a cabin equipped with a shower, toilet, bed, and even a small kitchen. When the driver is occupied with these amenities, the truck's Level 4 autopilot takes over, ensuring safe driving without manual intervention. If multiple trucks are heading to the same destination, they can utilize convoying technology, communicating to maintain the same speed and a safe distance. With a 360 degrees road view and a flexible design, these trucks can operate using different powertrains, including hybrid methanol options, offering both comfort and efficiency. Evocargo. Many countries, including Germany, face a shortage of truck drivers, with an estimated shortfall of 100,000 professionals. In response, companies like Evocargo offer an innovative solution: not just autonomous vehicles, but a comprehensive system. Ideal for short trips, such as within warehouse complexes, Evocargo's N1 electric vehicles can transport up to 2 tons over 200 kilometers on a full charge. These vehicles can operate 24/7, significantly reducing the need for human drivers while cutting transportation costs by 30%, providing an efficient and cost-effective alternative for logistics. Walmart, the world's largest wholesale and retail chain with over 10,000 stores across 24 countries, relies on top-notch logistics to manage its massive operations and billions in revenue. To enhance efficiency, Walmart developed its own truck prototype, with contributions from Peterbilt, Roush Engineering, Great Dane Trailer, and Capstone Turbine. The truck features sleek aerodynamics and a hybrid engine with electric components, primarily running on diesel but also capable of using compressed or liquefied natural gas and biofuels. Additionally, the trailer is made almost entirely of carbon fiber, reducing its weight by 1.8 tons for improved fuel efficiency and performance. The H2 racing truck is an impressive feat, unveiled by soccer star Lionel Messi and making its debut at the 2022 Dakar Rally. It features two 300 kilowatts electric motors powered by hydrogen fuel cells, enabling speeds of up to 140 kilometers per hour and a range of 250 kilometers on a single charge. With a special charging station, the truck can be fully recharged in just 20 minutes. As a result, the H2 truck became the first hydrogen-powered vehicle to complete the Dakar Rally, a testament to the engineers, designers, and everyone involved in the groundbreaking project. Scale is a research project aimed at improving supply chain efficiency, involving 6 partners including Toyota and Chalmers University of Technology, with funding from the Swedish Energy Agency. The project focuses on developing a fully automated system for loading, unloading, and transporting goods, utilizing automated warehouse forklifts from Toyota and compact electric trucks from the Swedish company Iread. These trucks, equipped with machine learning capabilities, can travel up to 180 kilometers on a single charge and reach speeds of up to 30 kilometers per hour, contributing to the advancement of automated logistics solutions. Vision TX presents a futuristic take on semi-trailers with its innovative cab-over design that places the driver in the center of the cab for enhanced visibility. Replacing traditional mirrors with screens and cameras adds a modern touch, while the cab can transform into a rest area and features hidden side storage. This is all combined with a carefully designed aerodynamic structure, which is particularly important for an electric vehicle, making the Vision TX both functional and stylish for the future of trucking. Hyundai's innovation shines through its trailer drone and HDC-6 Neptune projects. The trailer drone consists of 2 autonomous platforms and a container that can move independently, including sideways, making it highly versatile. Powered by hydrogen, each platform boasts a range of 500 kilometers, offering a total impressive range. While Hyundai envisions the trailer drone primarily for logistics tasks, its adaptability also makes it ideal as an emergency vehicle, showcasing the company's forward-thinking approach to transportation solutions. The HDC-6 Neptune, Hyundai's second project, is a hydrogen-powered truck inspired by the works of renowned American designer Henry Dreyfuss, who shaped the iconic look of the Polaroid camera. Paired with the HT Nitro Thermotech refrigerated trailer, which runs on liquid nitrogen, the setup provides advanced temperature control and lighting within the cab, blending cutting-edge technology with a stylish design for the future of sustainable trucking. The Kamaz Yupiter 30 is undergoing continuous improvements and was showcased at the Interprom Kazakhstan Industrial Exhibition last year. Notable for its impressive 30-ton payload, this unmanned dump truck features no cab and operates using data from various sensors, radars, antennas, and cameras. Its maneuverability is enhanced by both axles, which can pivot independently, with each axle equipped with its own traction motor. Powered by an inline 6-cylinder diesel engine, the truck has a speed cap of 56 kilometers per hour. As the first model in its family, the Jupiter 30 sets the stage for potential future advancements in this innovative lineup. Kenworth wowed attendees at ACT Expo 2024 with the unveiling of the SuperTruck 2, a project 6 years in the making that showcases a striking design reminiscent of a high-speed train and is packed with cutting-edge technology. The truck's diesel engine works in tandem with a regenerative braking generator, powering various systems within the vehicle. This innovative combination led to impressive fuel efficiency, with experts astonished by its consumption of just 18.4 liters per 100 kilometers. Additionally, the combined weight of the truck and trailer is a mere 11,793 kilograms, highlighting its engineering advancements in weight reduction and efficiency. Pininfarina have collaborated to unveil the Xingtu, an electric truck that emphasizes aerodynamics and smart systems. The engineers achieved an impressive aerodynamic drag coefficient of 0.35, which is notably close to the Tesla Model Y's coefficient of 0.32. The Xingtu smart systems utilize a combination of cameras, lasers, and sensors, allowing the vehicle to detect obstacles from up to a kilometer away. While its range of 300 kilometers on a single charge may seem limited, it can be fully charged in just 1 hour, and the battery can be swapped out for a fresh one in only 6 minutes, making it a highly efficient option for modern logistics. At the IAA event, renowned truck maker Iveco unveiled the Z-Truck, showcasing a futuristic design inspired by spaceships that captivated the audience. Instead of a traditional steering wheel, the Z-Truck features a rudder, with the driver positioned in the center of the cab, allowing for vital information, such as the route, to be displayed directly on the windshield to minimize distractions. The engine is equally noteworthy, running on liquefied natural gas or biomethane, making it 30% more eco-friendly than previous Iveco models. With a powerful 460 horsepower engine and a 16-speed automatic gearbox, the Z-Truck boasts an impressive range of 2,200 kilometers on a full tank, raising the question: Is this the future of mobility? The new Actros L semi-trailer has elevated efficiency standards, with Mercedes-Benz implementing significant redesigns for improved aerodynamics, resulting in a 3% fuel savings compared to its predecessor. Additionally, the third-generation OM 471 engine further reduces consumption by 4%, thanks to new turbochargers and an upgraded exhaust gas aftertreatment system. Offering 3 cabin options: Stream, Big, and Gigaspace, Mercedes demonstrates its commitment to meeting customer preferences, even allowing a choice between traditional mirrors and the innovative MirrorCam camera system. It's evident that Mercedes continues to embody its motto, the best or nothing.